Award for the field of folk and culture. Has received numerous honors and accolades from cultural, literary, educational, and social organizations, which also include the Yashawi Award on 2018 for his outstanding contribution as a distinguished artist, lyricist, and composer. Also recognized by the Assam Sahitya Sabha in the year 2022 for his service to language, literature, and culture. Kalitang Longbiram Intikathar is a prolific author. He enriched Karbi literature through numerous acclaimed works. One of his writings, Terang Wangreng, has been contributed in Class 8 Karbi textbook. He also was conferred with a noteworthy memorable performance in the Rajat Kamal award-winning films P. Honki, Lapen K. Cash Award, Lapen Citation, P. Pajirpon po. In recognition of his outstanding literary achievement, he was also honored with prestigious Bukulubon Award in 2008 by the Assam Sahitya Sabha, one of the highest literary honors in Assam. He is also the ex-CEM, ex-EM, beg your pardon. Entered as a member of the Autonomous Council on 21st January 1984 and subsequently served as executive member. Her unwavering determination, athletic excellence, and enduring spirit have brought honor to Karbi Anglong, Assam, and the nation, inspiring generations to pursue excellence through discipline and perseverance. She is being conferred with Cash Award, Citation, and Jury. Thank you so much. His wife, Khorsing Terang. Alang like, Kalitang Joy Sing Rock Pia Hemasoriklo, Khorsing Terang, alang li Parman, alang li Nonteng Poniklo. Karbi Anglong. Her life is a beacon of hope, demonstrating that determination, perseverance, and self-belief can transform adversity into achievement and inspire generations. She is being conferred with a Citation, Cash Award, and Jury. Thank you so much. A guardian of tradition, a keeper of stories, and an enduring voice of Karbi cultural heritage whose lifelong dedication has enriched the collective memory, identity, and cultural legacy of the Karbi people. Dr. Khorsing Terang is an eminent media professional, academician, linguist, and social leader whose distinguished career has made significant contribution to journalism, vice versa. We thank you for your contribution, sir. Dr. Ranjit Ronghak is a distinguished academician, researcher, education administrator, and social worker whose unwavering commitment to the advancement of education has earned him widespread respect and recognition. We thank you for your contribution, sir. And last but not the least, for the CEM Special Award 2026 in the field, Dr. Bibisan Rompi is a distinguished educationist, academic leader and mentor whose steadfast commitment to academic excellence, equality, and quality education and student empowerment has warranted him widespread respect and recognition. We thank you for your contribution. Unwavering dedication and sincerity in the discharge of her official duties, Srimati Kakrai Teronpi, Principal, District Institute of Education and Training, Karbi Anglong. Alang lipan, nong Pajirponji, Certificate of Appreciation in the Department of Education, Lapen Cares Prize. his exemplary service, unwavering dedication